Hello and welcome back to How to Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps of adding shorts on YouTube. Posting shorts on YouTube significantly increases your reach to greater number of audience because how convenient it is to convey information within a matter of seconds. So without further ado, let's get started. Begin by launching the YouTube app on your device. In the bottom center of the screen, you'll see a plus icon. Give that a tap. Select Create a Short. To record a video, tap and hold on the red button, or you can simply add a video from your gallery of 60 seconds or less. Tap on Done at the bottom right corner. You can change the video time to 60 seconds at the top right since the default time is 15 seconds. You can also make a few changes over here using these tools listed in the right, like changing the video speed, setting a timer, adding effects, green screen, retouch, filters, align the video, adjust the lighting, turn on flash, and trim the video. Once you're satisfied with the video, tap on text circle at the bottom right to proceed further. You can add some final touch over by adding a sound, text, voiceover, timeline, and filters. Again, tap next at the top right corner to continue. Give your short a title and adjust the settings to finalize the upload. Once everything looks good, tap on Upload Short. A pop-up will appear telling you that the short is being uploaded. And there you have it. You've successfully added a short on YouTube. Hope this tutorial was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.